The electronic circuit breakers from WAGO reliably protect your devices against overcurrent and short-circuiting. With a maximum width of 45 millimeters, WAGO's electronic circuit breakers feature high channel density, providing space-saving installation in the control cabinet. Backlighted buttons allow intuitive status display of each channel. The required current for each channel can be set using the rotary switch. The devices with active current limitation prevent the output voltage from the power supply from collapsing in the event of a malfunction.